friends, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl, Hey, and today we're going to be looking at the Happie Scrappie kit. It is the May 2019 Favorite Things kit, and before we get started, please make sure you like and subscribe and leave a nice comment below after the video. First of all, holy, look at this hollow packaging. The post office worker was just, oh my gosh, this brings me so much joy. I'm like, yeah, of course, that's why. You gotta subscribe to the Happie Scrappie kit. And so I got this envelope, which I had before, which is cool, but that's okay. Wait, do I have this envelope? Yeah, I do. I have this envelope, but that's okay. I love it so much, and it's a Bobo Bear. He's so cute. At least it's not the one with the clouds, because I get that envelope, this one, you guys. Let me show you, if you have no idea what I'm talking about. So she packages her kit in these really cute envelopes, and I have 3 of the same, and I want to get all the ones that I don't have so I can make cute things with it. So yeah, let's get started. Number 1, here is the kit, and I get mine in the mini Happy Planner, just because I use my chunky and my Happy Planner kit all the time. So the first thing is, let me open this. So first thing, we get a pen. Okay, we need a pen. Everybody needs a pen. Okay, and this is really nice how she incorporates a really cool pen. And this one is, it has like a silver gradient. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but it's a silver gradient pen. And here is the brand. I see 0.5 milliliters. What am I talking about? Milliliters. Oh my gosh, what am I smoking? So there you go. Okay. And if you're interested, check that out. And here is the tip of the pen. Really, really nice. So you got that. Love a pen. Thank you so much. Alright friends, sorry, my camera just totally blanked out. Thankfully, I think I got the intro saved. Anyways, so let's talk about the papers. So in Happie Scrappie, Sam has given us these mod liners, and I personally don't have them. I've seen them around Toronto and things like that, but they really don't interest me. Maybe one day I'll pick them up. And also along with the scrap of paper, there are her favorite like ink pens that have like the calligraphy tip, and you can check it out on her Instagram. So I don't know what those are called, but really cute, and it's double-sided, and here are all the fun things that bring us joy. I love the teddy bears, how adorable, and the bonbons, and the shoes, and the washi. I'm not a big fan of birds, but this penguin is pretty cute. Pretty alright in my books. So you get 2 of those, and this is what they look like. I'm going to place them here, so then I can do my little photo thing as if it was on purpose. And then, well, it is on purpose. And then here you get some vellum. The vellum is the best, and something I love about her hollow is it never flakes off. It is, I don't know what she uses, but it's gorgeous. I don't ever dare to try what Happie Scrappie does. I don't know how. Just her product value and image and everything. It's great. So there you go. You got some ink bottles on beautiful vellum. Then you get another vellum with the mod liners, and this is what they look like. And again, with that calligraphy pen in the middle. Love, love, love. Then you get something so cute, and what's nice is Happie Scrappie sends you digitals, and I think she sends you the paper digitals for this, but I love it, and I can't wait to put it on my Surface tablet. And you got some ink bottles, beautiful watercolor ink and splashes and drips and stuff, and then it's hollow again. And then here is the back. Some planner babes just chilling. They're looking so cozy in their cute little clothes. All of these are like pastel colors. And then this is what all the papers look like together. So along with this, I subscribe to the mini Happy Planner inserts. So I took off the band already, And you get 2 dashboards, and they're really nice. You can make your own mini happy planner covers. And here's the back, and this is what it looks like up close if you want to check it out. I really should pick these up. I want to see what the big thrill. I thought they were markers. So you get 2 of those, and then you get these really awesome functional different inserts, and every month they're different. They're never the same. And I know she collabs with Annie Plans, so there are more inserts if you're loving the whole theme. And then you get some dot grid, which might be very hard to see, but yeah, you get some dot grid paper, and I love the plaid. And then there it is. So what I like to do, I punch my own holes. I know when I used to subscribe to the personal why the holes would be punched for me, so that's something cool. So if you're interested in that, that's something you can think about. Then you get stickers. I love stickers, especially the Happie Scrappie stickers. Everything is so freaking pretty. So here are the hollow full and half boxes. I love that. I love this quotation. Life is tough, my darling, but so are you. How cute. Then you get some really chunky die cuts as stickers, and she gives you 2, so you can hoard one, keep one, use one, hoard one. And so you get some washi, a beautiful planner cup, you get the Polaroid Instax camera, and then a cute little TN or whatever kind of planner that reminds me of you. And here are more stickers. Okay, I use all my stickers. I tend to use them for my whole planner kit for the month. So here are the check boxes, and I use them in my chunky mini, because you gotta use your stuff, or else you're just gonna have too much planner game stuff and it's just gonna sit there. Okay, let's talk about these. I love how Sam, Happie Scrappie, the creator, made these a tad bigger. I noticed they were getting way too small, and I get they were for like the Hobonichi, because everyone gets the same stickers, but they were way too small last month. So these are some cute planner cups, and I think, yep, it's silver foil. So these work really well. I use them all the time in my chunky mini. Then we get some half boxes. Hollow foil again, never scrapes off, nothing like that. It is pretty on point, and they're hollow, and I love the plaid. I love the pastel plaid. Love it for spring. And these are my favorite. I use these in my chunky mini. I cover up the dates. Everything just looks a lot more smoother and better and just more appealing for me. So you get 2 of those. And then you get some of these either date cover-ups or headers or tabs. It depends on what you want to use them for. These are the tabs, really. And they're supposed to go with these. Oh, is this coming off? And they're supposed to go with these glossy, clear adhesive tabs. And I love the different fonts. Wow. Really cool. You get 2 different fonts. And I will be using these for my passion planner on my tabs. Then here are those other tabs. I hope you can see it. So they fold over. Let me just focus. They fold over, and then that way you have a really cute notebook, cups, or washi tabs. And then here are those planner girls. And last but not least, there they are again. And these are so cute. They're like little sticky note stickers. Like, how freaking adorable. And I love the hollow foil. Hollow everything just makes everything so much more happier. All right. Here is the pin, you guys. Another pin. I love it. I don't trust myself to put on my planner. I can never have anything nice, so it's probably gonna get lost. So I put it on my planner cart. I will try and take a picture and like add it to this video, maybe near the end. Oh no, is it coming out? Oh my gosh, the magnet is so, tough and strong that it is pretty worth it. You get a really nice planner clip this month. Look at that. Okay, let me zoom in or like bring it closer. Let's look at the detail. Can you see that? There are, okay, so it's white. It's a Polaroid. Let me bring some light here. It is white and it is, there we go. Do you see it? It is shining. It is shining. It is a beautiful sparkly white iridescent frame. And there's the planner girl looking so sassy. And then here is the backing card, which I'm going to keep. And then the magnet, which it is on. It is on like Donkey Kong. So there you go. Love the planner clip. How cute. I'm so happy I subscribed to this because, you know, you can buy them on your own, but it's kind of nice when it comes in a kit. And last but not least, this is so stinking new and cute. This is out of control. Okay, first we get some pockets. I don't know if she ever added pockets before, but we get pockets this time, and they are so like functional. Now they're not sticky back or anything, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna put my stickers inside. And then, oh my goodness, so I saw Sam's dad punching these out by hand, and oh my goodness, they are, I guess, I want to say like acrylic or more of a laminate, I guess. It's not too hard, and it is hollow, and they are hollow laminate die cuts. And look at that sheen, and it says "You Go Girl." Let me see if I can add it here. And then the next one is a penguin, and they are iridescent on both sides, FYI, for your information. And some washi. Oh my goodness. Who are you, Happie Scrappie? Why are you living the dream right now? And then here's the planner girl. Here's the planner girl looking like a little ghost. Very cool. And then here is a, I want to say it is an ink bottle for your pen, but I like it. It looks like a nail polish bottle. And it says, be you, do you, for you, of course. Here is a planner cup. Sorry, I'm going to go a little bit faster. And then another planner girl. You see that? Oh my gosh. She's just so cute. And then here is a TN. Like I said, it is on both sides. I just want to hang them. I just want to hang them and make like a mobile. I love it. I can't wait to like go on Instagram and see what people are doing. I saw someone stick it just like on regular scrapbook paper, but I feel like you can do so much more with these. Life is tough, my darling. But so are you. Love this. Love this. I think I'm just going to keep this one in my planner room, like on my desk, so I can see it all the time. So my friends, this is the May Happie Scrappie kit. It is my favorite things, legit. Happie Scrappie is my favorite thing, and everything in this kit is adorable and functional. So I'm so happy. Can't wait to use it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. Have a happy day, and see you soon. Bye.